told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong.
Security dapat kasama ang food security. Hindi lang terrorism, hindi lang issue sa race. But also, we must have a food secure Philippines. Personally, I am so happy, elated kasi President muna ang hahawak ng Department of Agriculture.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Information of everyone. Department of Agriculture budget, I think, does not belong to the top 10. Mababa ko kami compared to other agencies. I do work under his administration. The Department of Agriculture dawat kung rightful budget in order to propel it to local food and local food production ang ating partner nila sigurado ang ating mga local at probinsya at mga cities and municipalities. We have to produce and give priority with our local production. Food production. Tapos hindi lang unta siya lip service, but it will be translated to more plans, more budget allocation na can give towards increase. Rice man yan, vegetables man yan, livestock man yan, fish, napakaganda. Kaya, bali na walang saan ang naman na looks na nagiging at nagiging na mawala ang but sunan sa with that, kami, as far as you know, I am also happy in the that we facilitate the local government secure a gratuitous permit for their agri-fishery projects here in Dapitan. That's roughly almost 10 hectares. Gawas na ang ato ang gratuitous permit in favor of the city of Dapitan para madayon ang atong agri-fishery project. And then siguro, since Governor-elect Lincoln na po from June 30 noon time, siguro ma-effect kung na lang po rin i-confide or i-ano sa ito, of course with the PA or the signing na siguro kasunis na iskutan po natin how we can operate is cold storage here. Pakitaan nato po paating siguro lahat ng concerned agencies magkakayahan. Kaya sayang ang proyekto. Sayang ang proyekto para mapaglabanan sa atong mga kababayan. And then of course, we have an existing project also here in the Dapitan na may stage project in San Vicente. San Vicente. And we're happy also to report na dito ang resulta sa among initial run. We were able to harvest roughly 14 tons, 14,000 kilos ang among duha ka fish ranges, and we're hoping that we can be stocked it sa soonest. The only issue right now is meron tayong concern sa availability ng bangus fry. Our local hatcheries cannot produce the local demand. That is why we are also considering looking bangus fry perhaps in Indonesia to supply the kahit yung percentage lang ng kakulangan ng fry so that we can continuously operate our vacant cages, not just here in Dapitan but also in Luzon and some parts here in Mindanao. Yun talaga yung common natin issue and concerns ngayon as far as bangus fry is concerned. And then of course, we are looking at our fish pond lease agreements na terminated, cancelled ito po yung napag-usapan na rin namo. Kana siya dapat i-take over na siya sa government, maybe LGU, city, and the national agencies para siya ma-develop, mapakinibangan, ma-cluster na to siya, mahimo na to siyang nursery funds for our karungan or Bangus fingerlings requirement to supply our fish cages here in Dapitan as well as in our neighboring provinces. Dapitan has lots of potential for aquaculture. Malaki po ang fish pond natin, fish pond areas. Malaki po ang atong dagat. Talking of finfish, we have enough room or enough space for agar-agar. Seaweeds. Mahal ang seaweeds ngayon. That is why we will encourage our fisher folk na kay tanong nga seaweeds at the same time na kay buhi nga isda to maximize your time, to maximize your income potential. Nindot tayo ang presyo, walay limit ang market. Your BFAR will help you sa marketing. Kung wak mo, limitado ang inyong kaila sa palit, please inform us through our provincial office, regional office, and we will help and get you the best price for your money. Meron din po kaming reefer van. Ano po yung reefer van? Pwede siyang load o isda na naa siya storage or wala siya o dili siyang masira maski o long travel. Pwede po natin ito ipagamit especially for our Fisher Folk Association Cooperative. We can assist you move your product. Basta lang enough ang inyong volume. Dili lang po kay pila ka kilo atong improve from Dapitan to Cebu. Alkansita sa kulo. So what we are saying, yung you have enough volume, pwede po tayong assist. Ato lang siyang schedule ato transport. So your government, not just the BFAR, but all government agencies has several programs, projects for our stakeholders. Ayuda. That is why we really encourage kung naamoy gusto himuon, gusto mo engage into fishing, aquaculture, you visit our office here in Dipolog or through Cyril's office, tapos or perhaps in the region. Kung sa'y among maitabang, we will help. Even the documentation process. Access to credit, land bank has also window for that. Pwede makabil, especially for groups, association na naana sila mga bank statement. Nag-exist na sila, I think, minimum of 3 years. So yun po yung mga basic natin. There are lots of programs sa government na dapat ma-disseminate, nahibataan sa ating ang mga Fisher Folk Association in the weekend. So with that, again, kami nagpapasalamat sa Pagkasan for the help of each and everyone. We were able to survive. I think we were able to weather the storm. I do hope di lang yapon tayo kumpiyansa. And let's hope and pray na sana malagpasan natin and we can rebound. We can, what we call, balik na ta sa ato ang pang araw-araw na pagnabuhi. Balik na ta sa ato ang mga negosyo. So with that, daghan kayong salamat kung akong ampo o kaunta kining ato ang magbalangpuson, and God bless us all. Good afternoon.
Alright, salamat, Director of BFAR Region 9, Director Isidro Pilayo. Salamat. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence today. Alright, so we had a short talk with the Governor-elect, Nanay Nene Halosos. Ako siya ipangayon ng tag-mensahe para natunggalan, pero mas muhilang ko na siya. Audience na lang ko na siya. magpasalamat na lang kuno ang atong Governor-elect sa inyong suporta sa atong 59 Charter Day Celebration. Magkita-kita ra kuno ta sa Kapitolyo Provincial. Welcome ko na mong tanan. Alright, that's all, ladies and gentlemen. Let's celebrate the Bangus Festival.